WAEC this year, then there's a good news for you. For those of you that wrote WAEC 2025, there's a good news for you right now because WAEC has come out to apologize for the failure rate in this year's WAEC, and they have also updated your result, especially the English language. Those of you that failed your English, many people got F9. So WAEC has come out to release a statement officially. This one is official from WAEC, saying that there was an error. I don't know how WAEC got errors, but the statement they are bringing us is that they had an error, and because of that, they had to go back and review the results they gave. And now when you check your WAEC results, most people that got F9 are now seeing something like C4, C5, and C6. Some are even seeing distinctions. Let's look at this new update from WAEC. This is real from WAEC, and after that, we could now guide you on how you can check your WAEC result, or if you're having issues, or if you are still seeing F9 in your English, what you can do about it. Just follow. So this is West African Examination Council, West Africa. You can see everything there, letterhead, press release, review of results of the West African School Certificate, Secondary School Certificate Examination for School Candidates 2025. The West African Examination Council, WAEC, sincerely regrets to inform the general public of technical issues discovered during the internal review of the recently released results of the West African Senior School Certificate Examination for school candidates. So basically what WAEC is saying is, they released this result, and we, all of us, if you have been a part of us in this noble tutorial, you know that we started agitating against it. People started talking. I am a school proprietor, so we started talking about it, organizing protests, online protests, offline protests, and eventually WAEC has to calm down and say that they reviewed it and they figured out that there was errors. Whether they are saying the truth or not, they are just saying that they regret to announce that they saw there were obvious errors in the results and the grades they gave you people. Let's move on. Now, WAEC is saying, as part of our effort to curb examination malpractice, the Council embarked on an innovation, paper serialization, already deployed by a national examination body. It is also worth noting that this is in line with best practices in assessment. The paper serialization was carried out in mathematics, English, biology, and economics. However, an internal post-result release procedure reveals some technical bugs in the result. Now, what this means is, this year's WAEC that you wrote, there was a changing of, it wasn't the same questions that everybody had in these four subjects, right? In mathematics, in English, in biology, in economics, there were several questions, different questions. Your question is not the one your neighbor had. So they said that is what they did this year. And basically that is part of, when they were trying to mark and all the rest, they had some issues. The council, being a responsive body that is sensitive to fairness and professionalism, has decided to urgently review and correct the technical glitch that led to the situation. As a result, access to the WAEC result has been temporarily denied on the result checker portal. A few days ago when they made this release, they stopped the link. I shared a video with you earlier. Just go check our channel. If you have not subscribed, click on subscribe right now. You will see that we gave you the link that you can use to check your WAEC result. If you have not checked your WAEC result, you're having issues, you want me to send you the link, just let me know. We could send you the link, right? But basically, they stop people from checking result in order to re-upload the right result. I hope you are following. Okay. we must now move on. So WAEC now said, we extend our deep and sincere apology. So WAEC is apologizing to you, and I'm also joining them to apologize to all 2025 WAEC candidates. If you had this issue, some people have been crying. I've gotten messages of people crying. Some people say their daughter have not eaten since they saw the English WAEC results. People have been crying, a lot of emotions, when I remember all the monies that were spent. I mean, WAEC is writing these exams has become so expensive, more expensive than it used to be, and people had to go to lesson, pay for the exams, study, late night studies, do all the work, and it's a tragedy for many people when they now see the result and it's not what they were expecting. So we understand the emotions involved and all the rest. Okay, so it's good a thing that WAEC has now come out to sincerely apologize to you. Like I said, I'm also joining WAEC to apologize to everybody. If you were affected or your child was affected, your daughter, your school was affected, come under the comment of this and tell me what the issue is. If the issue has still not been rectified, feel free to also talk to me so that we could begin now to work on it. So look at what WAEC said. We extend our deep and sincere apologies to all affected candidates and the general public. We appreciate your patience and understanding as we work diligently to resolve this matter with transparency and urgency within the next 24 hours. As at the time you are watching this video, the issue has been resolved, and right now you can now go online to check your WAEC results. Just go to www.waecdirect.org. www.waecdirect.org. I think www.waecdirectonline.org. Right? If you have still not known the link, go to our channel, go to the video we have. Just check the last video we did, a previous video we did, and you will see the link. You see all the guidance. And if you still need more guidance, just feel free to also comment in the comment section. So WAEC said, we extend our deep and sincere apologies to all candidates and all affected candidates and the general public. We appreciate their patience and understanding. Do you accept this apology? Please let me know. As we work diligently to resolve this matter with transparency and urgency within the next 24 hours. On this note, candidates who have previously checked their result are advised to recheck after 24 hours from now. So if you've checked your result, please go back and recheck. Go back and recheck. Go back and recheck. If you don't know how to do that, let me know. If you don't know, if you want us to assist you in checking your result, also let me know. WAEC remains committed to upholding excellence, fairness, and transparency in all our assessment processes. Thank you for always counting on our integrity and reposing confidence in us to render quality service to the Nigerian child. Issued by the Public Affairs Department. This is what WAEC has issued. Go ahead right now, recheck your result. If you're having any issue, feel free to come under the comment of this video and comment. If you have not liked this video, click on like. If you have not shared this video, click on share. And very importantly, if you have not become a member of our YouTube channel, click on join to become a member. Subscribe right now. If you need any help, let me know. Come under the comment of the video. Tell me the issues you're having, and I or my staff will resolve it right now. There is another very important video on the screen. Click on it now and watch.